Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. We're going with the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy. Yes, the Millennium Falcon. So let's get straight into this and see what we do. So first stage we do is 59, as you can see right there. This is the magazine. A little bit more about the history and what they used, and this is what we where we're going to go on with. We're building on the frame, the lower frame. Oh, sorry, I should say the upper frame, and we're doing all that in the other stages as well that we have, which is stages 60 and 61. So I'm putting this up here and see what we do in the first stage. There's a number on that frame, so it's fine to put that away. This is stage 59, as you can see right there. I think we need those as well. Let's get everything out. If I got more, because I think I need more, I need one more. And I need the box as well, because I need more of those blocks. I need to have a good look. I think that needs to go like that, but I need a two-hole connector, as they're calling it, which I have right here. So I'm gonna get that a little bit closer to myself. And is that the way to put it? Yep. So we're connecting that one to that one there, and then to the ring over here. So let's put all those screws in and see what it looks like. I think we need to put that one on, and we need a 4 block there and a 2 block there, and we're going to put a lot of screws in again. And I think this is the last one, but you always check when you that's what I did the last time. I found out with the top I've forgotten a lot of screws, and I 10 or something like that I did not put on. So this one is not on. Those two, that one, those two, and I mean there are 4 here. I think they're quite sure. I'm quite sure there were 4. I need a 2 connector, and we need to put that where? Right on the top here on the 22. We're going to put a connector for 2 with 2 holes. Then over tighten it. Then 25 and 27 we 22 and 27, between 22 and 27, yeah, right there we put a 4 connector. We should have another one like that somewhere. Yeah, it's TF23. That should connect right there with 2 more black screws. So that's TF23 on, so that one right there. Then 25 and 27, there should be another 4 blocker. So there's that 4 blocker on. Then fit 26, so that's that one. And remember, numbers should be up. TF26 is what we're connecting to 25 and 23 right here, and we need to put it underneath right there and hold it a bit, otherwise that screw will not do its work. Why is it not wanting to go in? Let's try it on the other side first. Finally, okay, all of them in. And this is most probably the last to be put in right there. So let's put the obvious screws in first and connect it to the ring. I don't know why these panels are so hard to put on. All right, that wasn't easy, but it's on. And I think that is the last one on. Yes, so that is 59 done. So we need that one and that one. That panel can go there. These can go there. Nothing else in there. No. So 60 there, right on top of the frame. This is what we're looking at in this magazine. As you can see, it's not neat. It's there's a lot of rubbish on it. This is the next parts, the upper hull frames, as you can see there. And we're going on, and we need that one as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3 parts to put on. and some black screws. First thing you do is make a whole lot of noise putting this one next to that one. There we go. And we're starting with putting a 2-block, and I think I have them in what I call a 2-block, but what they call 2 something, a 2-hole bracket. That's not completely right. It is right because we're putting it up there, which is the same as we did on the other side, so shouldn't be right. There we go, that's together. Then we put another 4-blocker. Have we got any 4-blockers? Yes, we do, but none whatsoever anymore. So I hope that we have them in the next stage, but I don't know. I haven't looked at what's in that. And these are going in pretty darn fine. Yeah, I'm missing one of those 4-blockers because I need one for that, and otherwise I have to take one from the other one. So we're gonna put this one right here, and we need those for that, and we need some more screws. So we're putting these on. All right, now I have to have a look, because this is this stage done, but I will have to have a look if I can find a 4-block in the other build. I found a little bag that should have come out, but didn't. So we're going to put those there, get my screwdriver out and a bit of oil, and the last screw in this stage. Then we're going to 61, which is a bit more off the frame again. So let's show you 61. As you can see right there. Really peculiar spaceships that we've not seen, but that seems that there are in the cartoon of the whole thing. So we need that one. 61, we're going on, we're making some more noise. Well, it's flying a bit, but it will come down. We're finishing this, and that will be it for today. All right, let's see what we do with these parts. There we go, it's in. All right, that's in, that's done. Then we're gonna use a 2-block to put those two together. So we've got a 2-block in there. Then we're gonna put one here as well. All right. Then we're going to get that one out and put it on like so. So let's start with the top one, that will keep everything in. Then we can put that one on, and that's on as well. And that's it for stage 61, and that's it for the whole pack that we had here for the Millennium Falcon. So this is it. Well guys, that was that build. It's pretty massive, as you can see right there, and we've been working mostly on this side, connecting. I think we've done everything with the few packs that we've done. We've done this whole part, this in the first one, this in the second one, and that's it for what I have at the moment. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this one, or any of those in the background that you can see right there, or any of those that you can see on my channel. Please like, subscribe and pass it on again, sorry. And join me next time. Hope to see you there.